super, super clean 2018 Tundra 4-door short bed. So this camper has a lot of options that we are seeing a lot of people getting. So I want to do a full walkthrough for you guys. So starting on the side, you can see he has an extra thick cab over. This one is 10 inches tall as opposed to our standard of 8, and that is to allow either a thicker mattress to be kept up there or for you to be able to keep your pillows and bedding, sleeping bags, whatever up there without having to take it down every time you want to close your roof. Got the positive pressure vent to keep dust from coming in your tailgate when you're driving on some dirty roads. We got the flip up hatch on a gas strut, so that stays in place right there. Moving on to the back, barn doors. I always recommend barn doors. It's so nice to be able to stand on your tailgate and get these things fully out of the way. You can see he's got the windows on both of them to be able to look clean through the camper when driving. And then a solid wall on the driver's side for unlimited mounting options. You know, Rhino Rag roof tracks, a pre-rigged solar port, and a 10-speed intake and exhaust max air fan up on the roof. Coming up into the bed, it doesn't feel like a short bed. This thing is tall. 7'5" headroom at its height, 7'3" at its lowest point on the front and the rear. 4 vinyl windows in the canvas. There's that positive pressure vent on the front. Closed, open, closed. Front center slide window to pair with the barn door windows for full visibility through. Here's that solid wall. You can see all the studs. And each one of these studs you can mount to. The Unistrut bed rail that this bed platform pulls out and rests on. And in a full-size truck, this is just shy of a king. Oh yeah. Did I mention this thing is tall? About 54 inches from the floor to your sleeping platform. That's plenty of room underneath to build a bunk for the kiddos or even just a little reading nook for when you want to go to bed and your partner wants to hang out.